Here's how to edit a crew member on Zora. From the Manage Crew page, long press an avatar or photo to open the profile editor. The editor has 5 tabs. The information across them feeds the customs crew list, watch planning, and first aid in an emergency. It's worth filling in. The User tab holds personal information, contact details, identity documents, and address. Everything needed for customs and official crew lists. The Avatar tab lets you pick a cartoon avatar or upload a real photo. Click the avatar to open the avatar picker, then click the one you want. To customize the look, tap the hair, skin, or shirt button and pick a color from the palette. If you prefer a real photo, switch to photo mode and tap the camera icon to select a picture. The Experience tab tracks navigation background, sea miles, night and offshore experience, sailing skills, and certifications. Useful when you assign watches. The Medical tab keeps first aid information, blood type, allergies, medications, and emergency contacts. This feeds the medical card used during voyage planning. The Units tab sets personal display preferences, speed, distance, temperature, and the voice used for notifications. Each crew member can have their own. Your edits save as you type. Close the editor when you're done. That's how you edit a crew member.